What you know about this pizza, boy? Girl. Girl. This how I eat the booty. I'm finished. Where I'm gonna put it at? In a relationship, everything start off fine in the beginning. You call your boyfriend and girlfriend up every 10 seconds and say, I love you. All up in each other's face every day. And we call that the cupcake phase. Until something hits the fan. You go from, I love you, to, I can't stand you. I can't even go in the bathroom for 2 minutes to take a piss without you thinking I'm cheating. Asking all them questions. Who you with? Where you been? Girl, don't worry about it. Asking all them questions. Last time I checked, I ain't put a ring on your left finger. So I ain't obligated to do nothing. So go on with all that mess. Asking all them questions.
What up, Spoke? Call me Spoke. Yeah, I think I can explain that better than you can. Oh yeah, that's some good pizza, by the way.
Man, you in my house eating my pizza, bro? You eating my last box? This man eating my last box of pizza. And what you mean you can do this video better than me?
Basically what I'm saying is, I can explain the argument better than you can. Yeah, I think I can do that. And I've been through this.
You done been through this?
Yeah, I've been through that.
Well, all right, then let's go for a ride and you explain it to me then.
Right there. Whoa. What's up?
You can't go dressed like that, bro.
Oh, you right. You gotta freshen up.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready, man.
Let's go.
Oh, show me. I'm gonna tell you because what had happened. Listen, bro. I understand what you're saying. But I'ma help them understand what you're saying. Basically, this how the girl be. Where? Who? You been where? Where who? For real. Oh, really? That's how you feel? And the guys be like, asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Where you been? How much did you spend? Yeah, I trust you. Now unlock your phone. Who is this? Oh, see? Why you playing with me? That's the same reason why you ain't stand with me. You trying to get up in these drawers, you ain't laying with me. And I ain't even trying to hear what you saying to me. Just grab your stuff, hit the dough. Go chill with them other girls. That is why her weed stank. Talking about some beach girl. She ratchet? That's why I'm pregnant. And you the pappy? Looking stupid. That's what you get. Walking around here lying, thinking that you're slick. But you dumb. You stupid? Don't you talk when I'm talking, you better mute it. Now unlock your phone, let me see them pictures. I'm gonna check your Facebook, and I'm gonna check your Twitter, and I bet it tell me where. Who? You been where? Where who? For real? Oh really? That's how you feel? Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Girl, why you good? Oh, who that girl? That Jim I could. You wanna know the truth? And how I feel? Stop tweet watching. So I know it's real. Girl, ain't nobody lying to you. I ain't got no secrets. I ain't hiding from you. But you still wanna check my phone and my tweet. Find out who I'm talking to and who I'm trying to be. What you said you pregnant, it ain't mine. Girl, I wrapped it up. That's how I know you lie. What you think I'm dumb? You think I'm stupid? You think I love you? Do I look like you? Hold on. Let me see your picture. Let me check your Facebook. What's the password to your Twitter? You want a DM. You trying to see him at 7 p.m. this weekend so he can spit it all on you. You ain't slick. You ain't slick. Where? Who? You been where? Where who? That's how you feel. Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Girls always think you Whatever, nigga. What you gonna do? You just mad because you got caught. You turned.